If you want to edit slow motion videos on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, all you have to do is you need to open the gallery and we need to open the slow motion video that you wish to edit. Now in here, as you can see, we have the timeline. We also have this button with the circles. So if we open it, we should be able to, for example, find this additional timeline, which indicates the slow motion effect. So we can move left and right in here in order to choose which part of the video should be in slow motion. So for example, if you want to, you can make the whole video in slow motion or just a specific part of your choice. And that is pretty much it. So once we are done with this, we can just tap on this check in the bottom right corner in order to save these changes. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Of course, we can also tap on these scissors at the bottom in order to find some more editing tools that might be quite useful to use as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.